Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Stenoworks in another lecture of legal dictation. जी, आज जो हम डिक्टेशन लेने जा रहे हैं वो भी एक लीगल पैसेज है, एक क्रिमिनल पैसेज है लीगल का। बैकग्राउंड में आपको पैसेज नज़र आ रहा है। जो भी मैं डिक्टेट करूँगा वो हाईलाइटेड आपको नज़र आएगा और इसका जो पीडीएफ है आपको इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। इस डिक्टेशन को देने का मकसद ये है कि आप अपनी शॉर्ट हैंड की जो आउटलाइंस हैं उनको इम्प्रूव कर सकें, ओवरऑल अपनी शॉर्ट हैंड को इम्प्रूव कर सकें। मैं आपको डिक्टेट करूंगा, रेडी हो जाएं अपनी कॉपी और पेंसिल लेके। डिक्टेशन लेने के बाद जो है वो ये पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करके इसके साथ कंपेयर करें। अच्छा, स्पीड होगी 110 की। स्टार्ट। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द कंप्लेनेंट हैज आर्ग्यूड with vehemence that both the appellants committed rape with victim and also prepared video of rape which was taken into possession by the investigating officer, for the reasons, case of prosecution has been fully proved, full stop. I am not in agreement with the contention of learned counsel for the complainant because recovered video was shown to victim during her statement before the learned trial court, and after watching the same, she stated that she is not a girl shown in the video, full stop. Relevant portion of her cross-examination hereby described below, full stop, semicolon, inverted comma, start. It is correct that video recording in mobile phone P1 was shown to me in open court, full stop. In that video, the girl shown was not me and I do not know about the boy, inverted comma, close, full stop. So far as the statement is concerned, semicolon, she is not a witness of alleged rape, full stop. According to the prosecution story, co-accused of the appellants confined in another room and subsequently appellant committed rape with her, full stop. The attitude of her mother makes the entire prosecution case highly doubtful because they have not made noise after decamping the accused from the place of occurrence, full stop. It is also noteworthy that according to narration of FIR that on the following day of occurrence, i.e. 23/7/2015, accused come to the rooftop of complainant's home and made aerial firing, but astonishingly none from the neighbors attracted the spot, full stop. Another important aspect of this case is that according to the prosecution story, occurrence took place in dark night and no source of light has been described by the prosecution, full stop. It is also pertinent to mention here that PWs have not produced any source of light, nor the investigating officer has taken into possession any source of light, so as to prove that sufficient light was present at the time and place of occurrence for the witnesses to make a positive identity of the assailants, full stop. This fact has created further dent in the prosecution case, full stop. The Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan in the case has held as under, inverted comma, start, the occurrence in this case had taken place at about 11:45 p.m. during the fateful night, and the source of light at the spot had never been established by prosecution, full stop. It had been presumed by the courts below that as the occurrence had taken place at a medical store, therefore some electric light must be available at the spot, full stop. The courts below ought to have realized that presumptions have very little scope in a criminal case unless such presumption is allowed by the law to be raised, inverted comma close, full stop. Reference can also be placed upon the case law, full stop. I have noted that another intriguing aspect of this case which cannot be lost sight of is that the evidence of prosecution has also been disbelieved by the learned trial court through the impugned judgment qua the co-blamed agent, who there was an allegation of intruding the house of complainant, wrongly confining in a room and extending threats of dire consequences, full stop. The evidence of supra mentioned PWs cannot be believed against the present appellants without any corroborative piece of evidence which is lacking in this case, full stop. The end. अब आप डिक्टेशन ले चुके हैं। डिक्टेशन लेने के बाद आप मेरा पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करें और उस पीडीएफ से अपनी जो शॉर्ट हैंड आपने लिखी है उसको मैच करें। जो आउटलाइंस आपसे मिस हुई हैं, जो आप आउटलाइंस आप जो है वो गलत बनाई हैं आपने, उनको हाईलाइट करें और उनकी दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें। तो थैंक यू सो मच। आज के लेक्चर के लिए इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में फिर मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।